All right, let's talk hydrogen safety. Here are the key risks you gotta know out in the field. So, what makes hydrogen so tricky? Well, you can't see it or smell it. That's the real danger. You see, hydrogen isn't like other gases. Its physical properties are totally unique, and we have to respect that. And because of these properties, a really hazardous situation can build up, completely silently. Think about it. A hydrogen leak has no smell and no color. That makes finding it a huge challenge. So you've got to be hyper-vigilant about your equipment, especially after any maintenance work. Okay, leaks are one thing, but hydrogen also plays a long game, slowly damaging the very metals it touches. This process is called hydrogen embrittlement. It sneaks into steel, making it brittle, which can lead to failure. And remember, this doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow, creeping damage that builds up over years. So, how do we fight back? Well, since hydrogen is so incredibly light, ventilation is your absolute best friend. It rises fast and gathers at the very top. If you trap it up there, you're creating a serious hazard. Out in the field, you've got to check those vents and sensors. Make sure they're clear and working properly. A lot of these mistakes happen when people just don't respect how different hydrogen really is. Time for a quick check. Can you detect hydrogen with your senses? No way. Not by sight, not by smell. And how about weakening steel? You bet it can. Embrittlement is a major long-term risk to watch out for. So, is ventilation a big deal? Absolutely. It's one of your most critical lines of defense, for sure. So, here's the mantra to remember. Watch for invisible leaks, material damage, and always ensure good ventilation. And that's the lowdown on hydrogen. Next up, we're jumping into the world of compressed air systems.